Alright. I may have gotten a little too ahead for you guys to see it real quick, but what I managed to do is get some wire, wrap some low temperature silver solder around it, and now I'm going to heat it up and hopefully everything will do the dang thing, right? That's what I'm hoping for. Alright, all I have to do now is let it cool. There's my new negative lead. Just got to clean this section up a little bit and it should be good to go. Oops, don't want to heat up the plastic. That's why I did that beautiful job. There we go. There we go. This one, make it a little bit longer. Grab some solder. Should be enough. And we're done.